Your mix is already pretty full with synthesizers, pads and whatever, and your lead sound or your vocal doesn't cut through? Today I will show you a simple way how you can achieve the goal to let the vocal cut through the mix with the onboard tool of the compressor in Ableton or the track spacer by Waves Factory. Let's have a look. Okay, let's get started. Here's my synth group. It's containing a pad and a bass line. And then I have a kick drum and a hi-hat, just some basic stuff. And this is my vocal. It doesn't cut through the mix when I play it back. Let's have a listen. Today I will show you two options. One is the classic voice-over compression. For this, I insert the compressor into the synth group and I sidechain it with my vocal. So let's see what happens. Let's tweak it a bit too much, and then you will find out it's similar to the classic voice-over compression you can listen on the radio show. That's a bit too much, yeah? Let's get back to the basic. Okay, this compressor works on the overall signal. So every time we reach the threshold, it's here, it will start working and compress the group. There's also another kind of tool you can use. It's called dynamic EQ. In this example, I will use the track spacer because Ableton has no onboard tool. For sure, you can do something in a special way to achieve the same result, but I like the more easy way. Track spacer is just one of many plugins you can use for it. Just choose a dynamic EQ that has a sidechain input. Let's use as sidechain input again my vocal. And now let's bring it in. Now let's overdo it a little bit. As you can see, a dynamic EQ performs much better than just a simple compression. Here's a short recap. Group the synths, insert a compressor for voice-over compression or a dynamic EQ with sidechain input, and trigger it with a signal you want to bring to the foreground. These are just two options to achieve the goal. You can do it also by EQing proper in your mix or using some other tools. Many ways lead to the goal. Try it in your next track.